we will talk about 3D structures, right? 3D मतलब three dimensional structures, right? Three-dimensional structures. So in your syllabus right now, you have cuboid, you have cube, you have cylinder, right? This is you have in your syllabus. So cuboid is like this. Like this. ये L, ये B और ये H, राइट? अगर तुम इसको ऐसे ओपन करोगे, मान लो ये बेस है, तो मैंने क्या किया कि इस बेस को मैंने ऐसे रखा, ऐसे 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 और ऐसे। ये हुआ। ऊपर की तरफ एक साइड है, ये राइट। ये क्या है? L इंटू बी, राइट। ये क्या है? L इंटू एच। अब इसको इधर गिराया तो ये आया ऐसे, ये हुआ H इंटू बी। फिर इसको इधर गिराया तो ये हुआ ऐसे, तो ये होगा L इंटू एच। फिर इसी से लगा हुआ एक हो सकता है, जब आप इसको समेटोगे तो ये ऐसे जाएगा, ये ऐसे गया, हम विद इन द रेंज, this is B into H, right? And this is again L into B. This is L into B. There are 6 surfaces. Right? So this is L into B. This is L into B. This is L into H. This is L into H. It is B into H, or it is B into H. ये हो गया पूरा, ठीक? तो now this is called cuboid. क्यूबॉइड में length is not equal to breadth is not equal to height. If length is equal to breadth, but not equal to height. If length is not equal to breadth, can equal to height. But length can be equal to height. Can length be equal to height but not equal to breadth? But all sides are not equal. These are the conditions. So this is called cuboid, right? And total surface area of cuboid total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH, right? This is the total surface area. Lateral surface area के लिए we will remove this, right? And lateral surface area is lateral surface area is equal to 2 bracket L plus B into H. This is lateral surface area, right? And volume is equal to volume
कब तो नहीं रखे लो डाल दे
volume is equal to L into B into H, right?
Yes, sir.
Volume is also always measured in meter cube or centimeter cube. This is in meter square or centimeter square, and this is also the same, right? I should write it like this: B L into B, B into H, L into H, like this, right? L into H. This is the total surface area, this is lateral surface area, this is the volume of cuboid.
Yes, sir.
You make a note of it?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good job. Now, if we talk about a cube, L is equal to B is equal to H, right? Now when you open this, so this will be like this. This is 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 this, and this is also this, right? So this is A, this is A, this is A, this is A, this is also A, this is also A into A, A, तो ये पूरा हो गया हमारा ए और ठीक। सो यहां पे क्या होता है, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड।
Yes, sir.
हम्म
Yes, sir.
now total surface area, total surface area is equal to 6a square. 6a square, right?
Yes, sir.
All sides are equal.
Yes, sir.
This is, and lateral surface area, lateral surface area, lateral surface area is equal to 4a square. Lateral surface area is 4a square. Lateral surface में always length into breadth, upper side को हटा दिया जाता है,
Okay.
right? मतलब जैसे ये रूफ है
हाँ.
तो इस वाले को हटा देंगे, राइट, और इस वाले को हटा देंगे, इनको हटा देंगे. So what we get, that is lateral surface area. And lateral surface area is 4a square, right?
Yes, sir.
And now volume of cube is equal to length into breadth into height, and you said length is equal to breadth is equal to height, so a into a becomes a cube, right? This is the volume of cube. This is volume of cube. This is volume of cuboid, right? This is volume of cube.
Okay.
Getting? Okay, should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
If you take in a rectangular sheet like this is rectangular sheet, right? This is rectangular sheet, right? So this is, we say, width, breadth. This will be height. This will be height, right?
Yes, sir.
If you bend this like this, like this, like this, right? Like this and like this, then what happens? So ये क्या हुआ, ये जो end है, this B turns into circular end, and this is, this turns into circular end. right? So this B turns to, and circumference of circle क्या होता है? Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi RH. Sorry, 2 pi R. 2 pi R. Right? And this height remains same. So length, this which I should write, क्योंकि ये LB है, रेक्टेंगुलर पीस है, तो लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ होगी, तो ये लेंथ है, और ये लेंथ किसके बराबर हो गई? It becomes height, right?
Yes, sir.
So at last we find breadth B is equal to circumference of circular end, that is 2 pi r, and length is equal to length L is equal to height, that is equal to h, right? Now if we talk about so if we take area of cylinder, area of rectangle, area of rectangular piece of paper, that is equal to what? Length into breadth, right? And length is L, तो इसको हम लिखेंगे L into B, or we can write it B into L. And what is B here? What I wrote this,
2 pi r.
it should be pi r. It should be pi r, right? So B is 2 pi r into L is equal to height, so that we called 2 pi RH. That is known as curved surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder, right?
Yes, sir.
2 pi RH. Now if we talk about total surface area, total surface area of cylinder total surface area of cylinder is equal to CSA plus, there are two circular ends,
Yes, sir.
plus 2 into area circular ends. So CSA क्या होता है? 2 pi RH plus 2 into pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. Right?
Yes, sir.
If you take common from here, 2 pi r. 2 pi r if you take as a common, you get h plus r. This is total surface area. Right?
Yes, sir.
Of cylinder.
Cylinder.
Now volume of cylinder, volume of cylinder is equal to L into B into H. L into B क्या हो गया? Area of circular end. 1 circular end into height. Right? So volume is equal to area of circle क्या होता है? Pi r
Pi
square
square.
और h into h. So this is volume of cylinder. Pi r square h. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So क्या कहा मैंने?
Volume cylinder pi r square h.
So volume of cylinder
Pi r square h.
volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Right?
Yes, sir.
This is the three-dimensional figures. These 3D structures, cube, cuboid and cylinder are in your syllabus. So I explained you thoroughly how we get this, how we get the total surface area, how we get the surface area.
Surface area.
Right? Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
So if we make a Punnett square like this, like this, this is like this, right? This is like this. Now this is, we write TSA, total surface area, right? Now we have curve surface area volume, right? So first we go through with cuboid. So total surface area is 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH. This is total surface area of cuboid. Now curved surface area of cuboid. Curved surface area is also known as lateral surface area. Lateral. ठीक है? Lateral surface area. So that is 2 bracket L plus B into H. And volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is 1. Now we have cube. Total surface area is 6a square. 6a square. Curved surface area is 4a square. Volume is a cube. This is in centimeters. Centimeter square or meter square. This is in meter square or centimeter square, and this is in meter cube, centimeter cube, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, right? Or you can write 1 ml is equal to 1 centimeter cube, right? This is. Now we have, after cube we have cylinder, right? We have cylinder. We have cylinder. Cylinder total surface area is CSA plus 2 pi r square. So it becomes 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. If we take 2 pi r as a common, it becomes H plus R. Ready?
Yes, sir.
This is we have. And now we have curved surface area. Here is curved surface area. So that is 2 pi RH. Right? and volume is pi r square h. You get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you get, then it is fine. So this is all we have about three-dimensional structure. As per your syllabus, we talk about this. Right? I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So this much we have for today. Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is, thank you.